Setting up an affiliate program in ShopWired can seem like a complex task, but in this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get you started. If you're looking to set up an affiliate program for your ShopWired store, stick around because I'll also give you insights into some of the challenges you might face and alternative solutions that could work better for you. First, let's dive into the ShopWired platform itself. ShopWired is an easy-to-use e-commerce platform that allows you to manage your store and even set up an affiliate program. But to make it happen, you'll need to access their built-in features and third-party integrations to fully customize your affiliate marketing setup. Next thing you'll need to do is find and install the right affiliate plugin. ShopWired doesn't offer a native affiliate system, which means you'll have to integrate third-party software like Affiliately or Post Affiliate Pro to get it working. While this isn't a huge barrier, it's worth noting that the integration process can be tricky for those who aren't tech-savvy. Once you've chosen your plugin, you'll need to install it and link it to your ShopWired store. For plugins like Affiliately, this process is fairly straightforward with an installation wizard. You'll enter some basic information about your store, configure tracking options, and set commission rates for your affiliates. The commission structure can vary based on how you want to reward your partners, percentage-based, fixed amounts, or even tiered systems. The fourth thing you'll want to do is create affiliate resources. This can include banners, links, and tracking codes that your affiliates can use to promote your products. It's crucial to make these materials easy to access for affiliates, as this will encourage them to start promoting your store right away. Make sure to also set up an easy-to-understand dashboard so affiliates can track their performance and earnings. Another consideration when setting up an affiliate program in ShopWired is monitoring your affiliates and ensuring the program runs smoothly. This is where ShopWired's limited tools fall short. You'll need third-party tools to automate commission payments, track sales, and send out reports to affiliates. Depending on your volume, this could become a time-consuming task. Now let's talk about the major drawbacks of using ShopWired for your affiliate program. While it's an excellent platform for running your e-commerce store, the lack of an inbuilt affiliate system means you're relying heavily on third-party integrations. Some users find these tools difficult to use and less customizable than other platforms with built-in affiliate systems. The fifth thing to consider is ShopWired's pricing structure. The platform itself is fairly affordable, but the third-party integrations required for an affiliate program can add up, especially if you need advanced features or higher-tier subscriptions. This can increase your overall cost, so make sure you're getting the value you need before committing to a third-party tool. But here's the thing, if you're serious about building an affiliate program, there are some alternatives that might work better for you. Shopify, for example, offers native affiliate integrations with apps like ReferZion, which can save you time and effort. Alternatively, platforms like WooCommerce or BigCommerce also provide solid affiliate marketing solutions right out of the box without needing third-party integrations. Before you go, I want to mention something important. Through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive extended free trial to ShopWired, plus get access to some amazing alternatives with their own free trials. These alternatives might be a better fit for the goal of setting up a seamless affiliate program, and you'll get the best benefits through our link, only available to our viewers. So, if you're looking for a solid affiliate marketing solution, check out the link in the description. You'll not only get extended free trials, but also gain insight into some platforms that could work better for your affiliate goals. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer.